how to remove background from a photo in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. So let me tell you that it is really easy to remove background in Canva, but for that you'll need to uh, get the paid version. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your Chrome or any other browser, go to canva.com, and then once you tap on your picture, you can see the BG remover option right at the top. You can just tap on it, but you can see that you will need to get Canva Business, and it will cost $9 a month. You can even try it for free for 30 days. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.